Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be discussing about the Vikram 1 rocket which has been developed by the company Skyroot, and Skyroot is one of very less private companies in India which are being successful in the manufacture of rockets. So Vikram 1 rocket is India's indigenous 7-story rocket. So let us first look at the timeline. First we'll be looking at the news, then about Vikram 1 rocket and about its features, then Skyroot Aerospace, and in the end prelims MCQ. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, that is Science and Technology, and also Space Technologies. From exam perspective, we should be able to know about the features of Vikram 1 rocket. So the news talks about Meet Vikram 1, India's indigenous 7-story rocket set to launch in the year 2024. So it has been developed in India, one of the examples of the Make in India, and this will be set to launch in the year 2024. And Vikram 1 has been developed by the company Skyroot, and this is the same company which has previously built Vikram S rocket, and Vikram S rocket was the first rocket by the private company which used ISRO's facility at the Sriharikota to get the lift off. So it was the first rocket by a private firm. So what has happened recently is that Vikram 1 is the brainchild of Skyroot Aerospace, and the rocket is set to be launched in the year 2024, and it is an indigenous orbital rocket. Indigenous means developed in one's own country, it means developed within India. Orbital rocket means this will be placed in the low Earth orbit. And Skyroot Aerospace last year launched its Vikram S rocket, and this was the first rocket launch by the company Skyroot, and now Vikram 1 is the second launch. And it became the first space startup to have launched a private rocket from the ISRO station at Sriharikota. So if we talk about the space startup companies, then Skyroot was the first one to use ISRO's facility. Then about Vikram 1 rocket, and this is how the rocket looks like, because the rocket has been unveiled by the company, and this is how the rocket in its look. So Vikram 1 rocket will deliver satellites into the low Earth orbit. This name you need to know, that low Earth orbit, and it will deliver satellites. It means the rocket will take satellite with itself, and it can take multiple satellite, not only single satellite, it can take multiple satellite, because the rocket is huge in and is very large in size. So it will deliver satellites into the low Earth orbit, and it is a multi-stage launch vehicle. Multi-stage launch vehicle means more than 1 or 2 stages are there when the rocket will be launched, and it is a 7-story high rocket. So as you can see that the length of the rocket is very high, and in total there are 7 stories. So it is a 7-story high rocket, and it has a capacity to put around 300 kg payload into low Earth orbit. So in the low Earth orbit, it will be able to carry 300 kg payload, and the rocket's body is made up of carbon fiber. This you should be able to remember, that the rocket's body is made up of which element. So it is made up of carbon fiber, and it can place multiple satellites into the orbit. It means the capacity and the strength of the rocket is very high, because not only single satellite, it can carry multiple satellites into the orbit. And Vikram 1 has 3D printed liquid engines. So when we talk about the engines, it has 3D printed liquid engine. Then it employs a combination of solid fuel at the lower stage and mixture of liquid fuel in the upper stages to send the rocket into orbit. So lower stage is solid fuel, while in the upper stage it has the liquid fuel. solid fuel and liquid fuel both are used in the lower and the upper stages. And the name Vikram 1 has been named after Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who has been regarded as the father of the Indian space program. So in total, you should be able to know about the fuel that is used, that is solid and liquid both. The rocket is made up of which element? So that is carbon fiber, and it is named after Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who has been regarded as the father of Indian space program. And then it is a 7-story high multi-stage launch vehicle, will be able to carry multiple satellites into the orbit, and the orbit is low Earth orbit. Now about the Skyroot Aerospace. So it was formed in the year 2018. It is a startup, and recently only it has been set up, because this is 2023 and it was formed in the year 2018, and it is an Indian startup in the aerospace business, and the company is headed by 2 IITians, and that is Chandana and Nag Bharat Dhaka. And recently the Skyroot company has also opened its new headquarters in Hyderabad, and the name of the headquarters has been Max Q Campus. Max Q Campus. From exam perspective, what can be asked is, first of all, Vikram 1 rocket was developed by, you need to know the name of the company, that is Skyroot. Then Vikram 1 rocket and Vikram S rocket was developed by the same company, and this is one of the private companies who are working very nicely and is working successfully in the aerospace business. So, and the features of the Vikram 1 rocket has already been discussed. Now, in the end of prelims MCQ, and people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. Consider the following statements. First, Vikram 1 will be Skyroot's second rocket after its Vikram S rocket. I have told you this statement. Second, Skyroot is the first space startup to have launched a private rocket from the ISRO station at Sriharikota. This statement also we have discussed. So both the statements have been discussed. You have to talk about the correct statements. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.